What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones, Drones, and Tech, bringing you another first look at the EVO, and this time we're talking about software. So version 17 was pushed a few days ago, and I haven't had a chance to go ahead and put this video out just yet. So I thought I'd take the time today on Friday to go ahead and show you what you can expect from your version updates from Autel Robotics. Now, if you ever owned an Autel Robotics XSTAR, you knew that updating that drone was a little bit of a pain. You had to go out to the website, download the update, put it on an SD card, and then run it through and let it do all of its self-checks. Well, gone are the days of that. Now it will actually download the update directly to your device, push it to the controller, and push it to the drone. The whole process literally took maybe about 10 minutes, and then it'll give you an output of what's passed or failed. Now, anytime you get new batteries, you will have to do an update. The drone should automatically detect that the version on the battery is not matching the firmware on the drone or the controller, and it will prompt to do an update on that before being able to fly. Firmware versions do need to match as far as that goes. Now, I didn't scan through this 100% to see exactly what's changed, but if you slow down through the video, I do scroll through the differences so you can read through that. And if anybody's interested, I'll go ahead and put out the log file from my drone directly to a Google Drive. If anybody is interested, I can get something like that going for you all. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Let's keep it productive, and I hope everybody has a great weekend. We'll be talking real soon, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay original.